Are you a business owner or entrepreneur who has either tried Facebook ads for your business without much success, or you have never tried Facebook in order to drive more traffic, leads, and customers into your business? If you are, please pay close attention to this video. My name is Keith Krantz. I'm the founder of Dominate Web Media and Facebook Ads University, and I'm the author of the Ultimate Guide to Facebook Advertising, the world's #1 book on Facebook ads. It's in Barnes & Nobles all over the world and on Amazon, of course. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7-step Facebook Fast Start system that we use with all of our agency clients, consulting clients, and that we teach to our students at Facebook Ads University. Okay, we have an agency and a consulting coaching company where we manage over about an average of $150,000 to $250,000 a month in Facebook ad spend across around 30 accounts. And guess what? Things have changed in a big way. And if you're still running Facebook ads the old way and not paying attention to what's going on inside the Facebook atmosphere, then you're either going to be wasting lots of money or you're going to be putting your account at risk. Okay? The big reason behind the whole development and design of this Facebook Fast Start system, the 7-step process, is to not only generate more traffic, leads, goodwill, and customers, but also to keep your account safe for the long haul. Make sure that Facebook doesn't turn your account off or disapprove every ad that you have. Okay, those types of things. What you have to realize is that Facebook is now the online version of the party or the coffee shop or the conference or event, okay? And nobody likes that guy that you meet at a party and like 30 seconds after shaking his hand, he's trying to pitch you his financial planning services or insurance or whatever it is, and literally trying to set an appointment 30 seconds after meeting you. What do you want to do when you see that guy? You want to turn around and run away, right? The crazy thing is, though, that some of the biggest deals and some of the biggest sales have been made as a result of two people meeting at a party or a coffee shop. But it's because they met and they became friends, they started helping each other out, they got to know each other, and after a while, maybe the second or third time or fourth or fifth time they saw each other, they naturally became friends, and then they ended up setting an appointment and then became a customer or a client. Okay, what I'm going to show you how to do with this 7-step process is I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself or clone your brand to be showing up at all of these different parties, networking events, B&Is, Chamber of Commerce's, conferences, coffee shops, parties all over the world, building relationships with people, making friends with people, and then smoothly transitioning them into your world so they end up becoming leads and they end up becoming customers. This is how we do it, okay? You can actually do this and automate the whole entire process. It's freaking awesome, okay? So let's talk about it right now. So, okay, step 1 is to publish epic content. Okay, this right here, we call this an ungated blog post, okay? It's a piece of content that somebody can consume without having to exchange anything for it, without having to opt in or buy something, okay? This is called goodwill content. So what this does is this is like shaking the hands, becoming friends, right? Okay, just imagine if after shaking hands, 30 seconds later, I found out that you've got a couple kids and I've got a financial planning services company, and I said, hey, I've got this great tax loophole. It's pretty sweet. You can actually be stashing away a ton of money where you can pretty much save up for your kids' entire college education tax-free. Okay, I'll give you that tip as soon as you give me your business card. What would you want to do if I did that to you? You'd want to run away again, right? Of course. So what this does, it's like giving away value. It's becoming friends with somebody. But the cool thing is we have systems in place, like they're called custom audiences, which I'll explain in a second, where even if somebody doesn't opt in when they hit that page, it doesn't matter because we are tracking every visitor that hits that page. They're being added into your Facebook custom audience automatically. It's like an invisible list, okay? What if you don't have a blog? No problem. There's other ways to do this. And one way is what I call a content with call to action video like this. Basically what I'm doing right here. It's a little bit longer video where you're giving away great content, you're building goodwill, and then you're having soft calls to action throughout, okay? It can be a 3 to 5 minute video or even 7, 8, or 9 or 10 minute video, okay? And it can serve the same purpose, okay? This is step 1. Now, Step 2 is where you're going to set up your conversion pixels and custom audiences. Okay, this is where you create your conversion pixel here, and this is where you create your custom audience. Okay, don't worry if you can't see this, okay, if it's a little bit blurry, if it's too small. Basically, all this is the pixel that you're going to create inside Facebook, and inside the Facebook Fast Start modules, I walk you through each step with individual training videos on how to do each thing a lot more in-depthly, okay? But the important thing to know is that you can track everything, okay? When you set up your conversion pixels, Facebook will now track every time somebody opts in or every time somebody buys something, okay? And you can also set up custom audiences, which are basically retargeting lists, okay? What does that mean? It means I can track every single visitor that hits this page, okay? I can track every single visitor that hits my thank you page. So it's the page they land on after they opt in. So of course then on my future ads, I can exclude the people that have already opted in, those types of things. And what's even more powerful about Facebook, you can actually optimize your campaigns based off of a conversion pixel. They call it a pixel, it's really just a code, okay? It's a goal, okay? So let's say you're trying to optimize your campaign for your webinar registration leads, okay? After you start to get some leads, Facebook will start to optimize that campaign, and they'll go out and find people with similar characteristics, likes, interests, and behaviors as your existing leads. And the more leads you get, the better they optimize it. It is unbelievably powerful, and you have to tap into this. It's game changing, okay? Now, step 3 is really something you're going to be doing simultaneously while you're working on step 1, okay? So as you're working on what content you're going to use, you're going to create, you're going to go start tapping into your target audience research, okay? In this Facebook Fast Start module, I talk about a few tools, okay? Facebook Audience Insights is the #1 tool that you're going to use. It's inside the Ads Manager, okay? The next one is Facebook Search. You can do things like pages liked by people who like your page or your competitor's page, Dominate Web Media, for example, and it will show a list of similar pages that your fans like or your competitors' fans like, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a spreadsheet, and you're going to start taking all the data that Facebook gives you and dumping it into that spreadsheet, okay? I go through that in depth inside the step 3 modules, okay? Step 4 is to start a like campaign. Okay, why do we want to start a like campaign? Most people, you're probably thinking that's just a vanity thing, right? Well, actually, there's 3 reasons why you want to be running like campaigns. And the cool thing is you can basically set it and forget it, and it'll run in the background, okay? Number 1 is it increased social proof, okay? The more fans you have, the more credible you look. Number 2, you can remarket to your fans, okay, with more promotional type offers. And number 3, you can improve your friends of fans reach, okay, your friends of fans targeting. What does that mean? It means I might want to target people who like Tony Robbins, but not only people who like Tony Robbins, I want to target people who like Tony Robbins and have a friend that likes Dominate Web Media. Okay, that's called connection targeting, and it's super powerful. What happens in that case is when people see your ad, they actually, at the very top of your ad, it'll say, you know, Joe Smith and 27 others like Dominate Web Media. And that's instant social proof. It's at the very top. It's powerful. Okay, step 5 is to publish and boost your Facebook post. Okay, so right here, this picture is a post that I'm uploading to my Facebook business page. All you're going to do is just create a post like you would a post that you're not going to run ads to. And then at the bottom of your post, you can click Boost Post. You probably can't see that, but that's okay. Basically, you can boost your post right from your Facebook page, and what will happen is you can now select specific targeting. A new window will pop up right here where you can select targeting, and you can see all the different targeting there. Don't worry if you can't see that. You don't need to see that. The point is that you're going to create a post right here, okay? Think about it. When your ad is showing up in the news feed, it's called native advertising. So your Facebook ad is going to be mixed in with all the other Facebook posts, like from your friends and family and stuff like that. So you're basically just creating a Facebook post and then using the Ads Manager or the Boost Post option to amplify that out into your exact ideal target audience. Okay, so you can use the Boost Post method with any type of ad. So whether you're driving traffic into content like we talked about before, or whether you're driving traffic into a conversion focused campaign, which is step 6, okay? Step 6 is to repeat with conversion focused campaigns. The great thing about Facebook is you can actually do the same thing. You can create another post that's maybe related to a webinar registration that you've got, or maybe a sales page, or maybe it's going to some kind of a lead magnet. Maybe it's going to a product that you're selling. It could be anything. It could be a software demo, okay? The goal of this campaign is to generate leads or generate sales, some kind of conversion mechanism, okay? Now, there's a lot more advanced options available inside the Ads Manager or the Power Editor, and I go over those in a lot more of our advanced trainings. But with the Boost Post method, you can actually do a lot more than you used to be able to do. And you can even create a conversion-focused campaign. So with step 6 here, basically what you're going to do is you're going to create a separate campaign. And let's say that you're driving traffic into a webinar. You might not want to drive cold traffic, people who don't know who you are yet, okay? You might only want to focus on people who know who you are. Maybe somebody that has read that blog post. Remember step 1 over here? Okay, somebody who has been to your blog, one of your fans, maybe somebody that's already opted into your list, and you might want to just focus on those people driving traffic to a webinar, okay? Maybe you want to go out to cold interest-based audiences. That's fine, it's up to you, okay? Maybe you want to run a video ad, which is like a video case study style, testimonial style ad here into a product. So I can run traffic to people who have visited my sales page but have not yet bought, and they go directly to the sales page. Does this work? Absolutely. You can drive traffic from Facebook to sales pages, okay, as long as you're smart about it, and that's the key to your success. It's having the right campaign in front of the right audience, okay? Not trying to sell too quickly, not being that guy at the party trying to get your business card 30 seconds after meeting you, okay? The only people that see this are people that are warmed up, people that know who I am, okay? That's the key. And you can just completely automate this stuff. All you have to do is set up your audiences the right way, and you can be driving traffic into content, warming people up, shaking people's hands, and then you can be driving traffic into conversion opt-in pages, generating leads, and then you can even be driving traffic into sales pages, generating customers. Okay, we're doing this every single day in several different markets. Okay, now once you get things up and running, what are you going to do next? You're going to go over to step 7 here and start analyzing and optimizing your campaigns. And basically you're going to use Facebook's awesome reporting tool that's getting better every single month. Inside the reporting tool, you can see things like video views, cost per video view, cost per lead, cost per sale, down to the interest level. So what audiences are giving me the best performance, okay? What video, what ad, what image, all those types of things. What demographics, was it 45 to 54 or was it 35 to 44? Okay, you can do all that inside Facebook, and then you can trim the fat and let the winners ride, okay? And down here is the customized columns section, which you can go in and it's really cool, and you can just decide what you want to track. Do I want to track cost per checkout, or is this more of a content video or content ad where I want to focus on cost per click and cost per website click and engagement? Okay, it just kind of depends on what you're doing. And like I said, we go deep into that inside the module based on step 7, analyze and optimize. All right, so that's the overview of the 7-step process. How would you like to get free access to my 7-step Fast Start training program, which has modules for each of the 7 steps, and get a copy of my physical book sent to your doorstep for free? All you have to do is just pay a few dollars for shipping and handling, and we're going to send you this book for free and give you instant access right now to the entire 7-step Fast Start program. All right, all you have to do is click the button you see somewhere on this page or even on this video maybe, and that'll take you right to where you can register for the Facebook Fast Start system. You see, of all my clients, students, coaching clients, agency clients that are really having success right now, some of them have literally doubled and even tripled their business. The reason why that's happened is because they are implementing all the little things, okay? They're doing the content amplification in addition to the lead gen. They're not just doing one, just not doing the other. They're doing both. Do you have to create tons and tons of blog posts? No. One epic blog post can be the foundation for that warm-up goodwill content to have in addition to your lead gen campaigns, okay? You don't have to do it all at once, and that's what I show you inside my Facebook Fast Start system. So if you want to build a true perpetual traffic, goodwill generating, customer generating machine, click the button you see on this page or on this video and get access right now. I promise you, you'll be glad you did. Get in, take action, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.